Mahal ko, na araw na ito, ako yung pinili. Pinili na maging asawa. Nangako ko sa'yo, alagaan ka, matibigit ka. Susuportahan ka sa bawat oras ng araw.
Was running through the dark till I found you. It feels like the first time that I'm breathing, feeling lighter than the wind. Now my world is spinning around you.
9 years old pa lang tayo noon, batang-bata, so I'm afraid na baka maga tayong maging mag-asawa. But thank God kasi hindi naman pala.
Hindi ka na binata. And Ivy, after lang yung kasal, hindi ka na dalaga. Pag aalis ka sa inyong bahay, tandaan nyo, meron nang naghihintay sa inyo. Kung dati ang naghihintay sa iyo, Blaster, ay mga magulang mo, ngayon, ang maghihintay na sa iyo, pag umaalis ka ng bahay, ay si Ivy. Ganon din sa iyo, Ivy.
I'm falling for you. Waited all my life for this moment. Overcome with all the emotions. Now that you're standing here with me, feels like the first time I can see.
Ako rin na maging tapat ako at matapat sa'yo. Hanggang sa dulo ng ating mga aras. Mahal na mahal kita. Tapos walang hanggan. I love you.
Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you.
Today, I commit to you fully and without reservation as your partner in life. I vow to stand by you through all of life's experiences.
And the time has come, it's all begun, now and forever. With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever. The time has come, it's all begun, now and forever. With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever. Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up
I vow to grow old with you, build you with a better life each day, as we learn from each other to be patient, kind, and to always cherish each day together. With you, I'll walk my path from this day forward. I love you.
I'm falling for you.